What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Think Welding and More. My name's Jacob, and today I'm going to be TIG welding some 48-inch RuffStuff drilling arms. I already got some done, so let's check that out, and then we'll move on to welding up the drilling arms. Alright, here goes some parts that I've been working on for the last couple months. I've been TIG welding everything. Today I'm going to be working on one of these 48-inch RuffStuff drilling arms. Get it finished up so I can take it all to paint. As far as these parts, the upper and lower pivots, I went to DIYoffroad.com and bought some files. I sent the files over to San Diego Laser Cutting. They were able to cut out all my parts. Really good work. Everything turned out really nice, easy fit up, easy cleanup. Then I proceeded to TIG weld everything, and I have them all sanded and ready for paint. So let's go ahead and start working on the last drilling arm. So I'm here, I have everything set up. I'm ready to start fitting and tacking it together. As you can see, I already did the ends. This end I put a uniball cup for a 1-inch uniball instead of using what came in the RuffStuff kit. I think the uniball will last longer than the urethane bushing. On this side I have the 1.25 inch bung for the heim joint. I did a multiple pass, and I also drilled the holes and did the rosette welds just like you would see on the RuffStuff video. Once I put it up here and tack it up, I'm going to lay it out with a ruler and a Sharpie every 4 inches, and then I'm going to back weld it, which means I'm going to weld in one direction and then move back and weld and move back and so on. If you really want good detailed information on how to weld a RuffStuff drilling arm, you should go to their website and check it out. They have really good instruction video. This is just my video of me welding my parts for my pre-runner. If you happen to have a Nissan Titan and you're following along to try and do the same to your truck. So now that you know my game plan, let's go ahead and get started. Now that I've welded up the sides and I let it cool, I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to weld that all up and then put the fan on it and let it cool. So let's start welding. Alright, so here it is. I got it all finished. I did a 2-pass root and fill. I'm gonna go ahead and sand the area, make it shiny, then tack on these overlays and weld it out. So let's get started. right, so I finished up that drilling arm, got it all welded up. Next step is to start working on this truck, pulling apart the bed, getting it ready to do the 4-link. I'm glad you guys stuck around to the end. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode.